Here's me making bread with a new sensor. I know a few of you have asked me about the sensor, and I know that there's some people still deciding whether they might need one in their life. So what I've done is I've made a video on making bread with using the sensor. So if you want to, check this out. Okay. So I'm just going to stick this. There's a little mark. See the little mark there? That has to go inside. Okay, so I'm sinking. Here we go. So it's telling me that it's 35 degrees now. We want to go to 96 and it will beep. It's telling me it's going to be about 50 minutes. There you go. And it will beep when it's ready. Okay, it just played a little tune. It sounds different to my normal Thermomix tune. But there you go, 96 degrees. I'm going to remove it now. I'm only going to show you one end because the other end's not so pretty. But I'll show you a picture when we slice it. It's too hot to slice right now. Okay, there we go. Bread is baked. I've taken it out of the tin. It is still hot. So I am not going to cut it until it's cold because that's what you do when you make bread. And we'll cut nice, soft. Oh, soft bread. Right, so I might have cheated a little bit. It's not 400 grams of wholemeal. It's 300 grams of wholemeal and 200 grams of plain of baker's flour. Because I don't really like super wholemealy, but I think that's pretty good, pretty soft, lovely. Let's check for FDT. Okay. So it's going really slowly now, so I'd say 34 degrees is probably it.